Hello, kids. Hello. How are you? Hello, kids. My name is Teacher Belle, and this is my friend. Monkey. How are you, kids? Can you say, "We are fine"? We are fine. Okay, I'm so happy to hear that you are fine. I am fine too. So kids, are you ready to listen to me? Now kids, let's start to learn short vowel eh. Eh. Can you say it? Very good. You are correct. Eh. Yes, you got it right. So let's get started. B. Ed. Bed. Ed. Fed. Ooh. Ed. Led. N. Ten. B. Egg. Bag. Man. At. Pet. Set. G. At. Get. J. At. Jet. Very good, kids. Now, teacher will give you a star. Bye, kids. See you next time.